My name's Philip Steinbeck, and right now we got the heating and cooling, air conditioning systems, and fundamentals. Alright, now step on in here. Now, as I slowly turn the key, it's going to kick on air, like so. And this is causing from the fan. The fan sucks in air from the surrounding area, shoves it through the thingamajiggy tubes, and shoves it into the system, or the cab. Now, caution, it may be hot. Now, as I crank my 24 valve, 5.9 liter Cummins engine up, oh my God. Now, what happens here is now that I started the crankshaft pulley turns the crankshaft clutch, which starts up the compressor, which turns the compressor clutch, which is everything moving in the vehicle. Now, what happens in the vehicle is it sends compressed air through the thingamajiggy tube and into the cab, to where it's nice and cool